Murray River, Australia's longest and most famous river, which we're going to explore by kayak. 2,500 kilometers long. It starts way up in the snowy mountains, but we're going to explore it in all different ways, including mainly kayak, but also paddle wheeler and by ski boat at times, and really just to get a flavour of the river and around the river. And around the river is vast wilderness for lots of it, and I'm a dirt biker, so I've explored it with my dirt bike over about a year. I've been on the river, living on the river, working on the river, camping on billabongs and lakes beside the river. It's about a fifth of the size of the whole of Australia, the Murray-Darling Basin, a massive area of lakes, billabongs and other rivers that flow into it, often in arid areas like this where I'm camping. It begins in the Snowy Mountains, high up in the Snowy Mountains, which is Australia's tallest mountains, and it meanders its way west. And as it goes west, the country becomes drier, more arid, so that Murray is the lifeblood of these areas. I've whitewater paddled on some of its tributaries like the Turon and much bigger rivers high up in the mountains. The Turon goes into the McIntyre, I believe, but I've also over the years been way up in the Snowies doing grade 4 whitewater, and pretty demanding. I'm a trained whitewater kayaker, but I'm a bit rusty, but I still like having a go. And this is on the Goodra Digby, beautiful country near Tumut, where you use bats, specialist whitewater kayaks for extreme paddling, which is not the kind of thing you want to do without a lot of training and experience. But the Murray itself, the Lower Murray, is a flat river seen here at Swan Hill. This is what we call the Upper Murray, and on the other bank is the state of New South Wales, and the bank I'm looking at is Victoria. Australia is divided into states, of course, just like America, but only a few, not 52. So the river meanders itself west, as I say, and you can follow the cursor here. Huge lakes like the Menindee Lakes come in from the Darling River, sort of halfway along it. Again, this is a picture I took while dirt biking around the Menindee Lakes. And then the river starts turning west and southwest as it gets towards the end of its journey in the Southern Ocean at Goolwa. So we start off with our trusty double kayak, my wife and I, to explore it. This part is the Renmark part, which I'm just introducing you to, which is on the Lower Murray. And we pack our provisions and tent for a few days on the river. There's very little flow in the Murray because of it's dammed and locked. So, but it's still this incredible mighty river, and mostly surrounded by wilderness, believe it or not. It's quite remarkable. You can see some images here from our drone, and this is the Lower Murray, and it's just surrounded by desert, but lots of water in the Murray coming from this huge basin that fills it and creates this amazing ecosystem, which we're going to explore over maybe up to 10 videos, which depends how much interest I get, how many clicks of likes I get. But come along with us and enjoy this journey on the Murray River.